Hello student, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss relative strength of the acid. It is denoted by Ka, acid dissociation constant. Ka tells us about the relative strength of the acid. So the relative strength of acid is generally determined by their dissociation constant Ka. This is called acid dissociation constant. Larger will be the value of Ka, more will be the acidic strength. So highly acidic will be the compound. So Ka is related with pK. pK is equal to minus log of Ka minus pK is equal to negative log of Ka. If Ka is larger, I told you Ka is larger, so more acidic will be nature, more acidic strength will be there. But since pK and Ka are inversely related, so lower pK means larger Ka, so more acidic nature. So Ka is called acid dissociation constant, or it is actually equilibrium constant, and it is governed by, only on the temperature. Fixed temperature having fixed K, fixed acid dissociation constant. Now how to derive acid dissociation constant? So suppose one acid we are taking, Ha is the name of the acid. Okay, now what will happen over here? For an acid of the type Ha, it ionizes. A gives H positive and A negative. Initial concentration C here for acid, and H positive having 0 and A negative having also 0. Suppose C alpha will be dissociated from this. So C alpha will be there here, H positive C alpha, A negative C alpha. So what does it mean? Means C1 minus alpha will be dissociated. So at equilibrium, this is the concentration. Now C is concentration of acid, alpha is degree of dissociation. So according to law of mass action, you can say, or according to chemical equilibrium law, so Ka will be equal to molar concentration of H. These are the product molar concentration of product by reactant. Okay, molar concentration of reactant. Here two products are there, so product of them. So molar concentration of H positive multiplied by molar concentration of A negative upon molar concentration of acid. So put the value C alpha here on the product side, and this is C1 minus alpha. 1C and 1C cancel, so now it is C alpha square 1 minus alpha. Since alpha is very small, so this is omitted. So Ka is equal to C alpha square. Clear? So here I have written C alpha square means C is the concentration multiplied by degree of dissociation. Square of degree of dissociation. Alpha is degree of dissociation. So product of molar concentration and square of degree of dissociation will give you acid dissociation constant. So alpha square is equal to Ka by C. So degree of dissociation is equal to square root of Ka by C. Percentage dissociation, alpha multiplied by 100, you will get percentage dissociation. Thank you for watching. Clear? Alpha is equal to